To help you find the best heart rate monitor for heart patients and cycling and fitness enthusiasts, we have tried plenty of top models, testing them for accuracy, and preferring products that boast high-quality ECG measurement capabilities. We loved items that were easy to wear and to adjust, often via chest straps or wrist-based watch design, and those that integrated nicely with efficient and useful proprietary apps. There are many products available to choose from for best heart rate monitor, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best heart rate monitor from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Polar H10 Heart Rate Monitor. Waterproof chest strap design with best-in-class electrodes, offering supreme accuracy, and a highly adjustable form factor that is available in a variety of sizes, each appropriate for both genders. The Polar H10 Heart Rate Monitor features a unisex chest strap design that is available in a variety of size options, suiting many different body types, and boasts highly accurate readings, thanks to a suite of advanced electrodes. We love how adjustable this monitor was, easily staying attached during intense workouts, and the full range of wireless connectivity options on offer, including Bluetooth and 5 kHz. It also integrates nicely with the Apple Watch, making it the best heart rate monitor for Apple Watch that we tried. Learn more about our best fitness tracker with a heart rate monitor. Though this item does a fantastic job at measuring heart rates, it does not measure body core temperature or other fitness-related metrics. Number 2. Garmin HRM-Tri Heart Rate Monitor. Extremely light and compact chest strap design, weighing just 2 ounces, with integrated software that stores up to 20 hours of fitness data and provides dynamic feedback along with a number of metrics, including running form. The Garmin HRM-Tri Heart Rate Monitor is a waterproof design that excels with both swimming and running, with an extremely light form factor, weighing just 2 ounces. The related software also provides dynamic feedback, which is particularly useful when running, as it measures cadence, vertical oscillation, and ground contact time, among other metrics. Keep up with your oxygen levels using our best pulse oximeter. Though this monitor interacts nicely with compatible AND devices, it does not feature Bluetooth, which somewhat limits connectivity. Also, it requires an external CR2032 battery for the purposes of replacement, though it does come with one to start. The best exercise equipment will help you keep healthy with a great heartbeat. Number 3. Wahoo TICKR Heart Rate Monitor. Fantastic tracker for cycling, featuring integration with over 50 fitness apps, highly accurate heart rate sensors, and a range of wireless connectivity options, including Bluetooth and AND. This Wahoo TICKR Heart Rate Monitor easily integrates with over 50 fitness-related smartphone apps, allowing the efficient transfer of workout data. Much of this data is of particular interest to both cyclists and runners, making this the best heart rate monitor for cycling that we tried. The sensors are highly accurate, and the wireless connectivity is on point, allowing integration with both ANT and Bluetooth-enabled devices. It also integrates nicely with Peloton exercise bikes, making this the best heart rate monitor for Peloton equipment. Though this item is technically waterproof, it is only rated to work in up to 5 feet of water, so we wouldn't recommend using this to swim. Number 4. Scosche HYTHM24 Armband Heart Rate Monitor. Armband design that is waterproof, up to 10 feet, and measures a variety of metrics in addition to heart rate, including running cadence and heart rate variability, with Bluetooth and AND wireless connectivity. This Scosche HYTHM24 Armband Heart Rate Monitor uses advanced optical heart rate sensors that deliver highly accurate information, while negating the need to be strapped to the chest. As a matter of fact, this is the best heart rate monitor without a chest strap that we tried, thanks to the ability to measure several useful metrics, besides heart rate, including running cadence and cycling distance, among others. We also love that the device features both Bluetooth and AND connectivity options, though this does come with a rechargeable battery. Number 5. L8 Star Activity Tracker and Heart Rate Monitor. Smartwatch design with some nifty extra features, including sleep monitoring and a pedometer, with a large LCD touchscreen and a fantastic battery that can get anywhere between 15 to 30 days of use on a single charge. This L8 Star Activity Tracker and Heart Rate Monitor is the best heart rate monitor watch design that we tried, thanks to a bevy of useful features, in addition to the inclusion of a pedometer, message stores, and full integration with the GPS found on a smartphone. We also love the rechargeable battery, which can get between 15 to 30 days of use on a single charge, and the ultra-responsive LCD touchscreen. Though we found the proprietary FlagFit app to be useful, this product does not connect to third-party apps, which is something of an oversight. Also, we found that it can take a while to calibrate the heart rate monitor while sweaty, something that could get in the way of workouts. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.